Okay guys, so this is my outfit for today. This is Linga. Look, the details, amazing details on this. So this is a Linga, and this is a skirt that I'm gonna be wearing inside, and this is my bangles right here. So this is the outfit that I'm gonna be wearing today. I'm literally so excited to try this because I never in my life wore this before in my life. Linga. So this is my first time I can't even speak, my first time experience. So I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see all this to come together. And yeah, because I've seen loads of people wearing it before and stuff, but I never literally wear it, but like in me. So I'm so excited to wear this, to see how I'm gonna look like on my makeup and my outfit, my Linga with me and my little high heels. So I cannot wait. I'm literally so excited to see how this is gonna work and to put my wig on as well. So yeah, keep tuned guys, stay here and see how the outfit is gonna go. I'm so excited, like I can't even do it, but anyways, this is gonna be literally fun. I need to be like this. So anyways, today's Shafi's wedding. Let me see. Today's Shafi's wedding, and I've been getting ready. Yeah, it does. Yeah. So we're getting ready, and I'm gonna do a vlog, only because I haven't been India's wedding since I was born. This is my first time, so I'm a little bit excited.
Okay, wait. Take them off because I put them in order.
Oh, you have to put it in order?
Yeah.
So yeah, today's gonna be really fun. I already done my makeup, and I forgot that I'm gonna do a vlog today. So I already done all my makeup, and I'm like,
I'm on there.
you see that? But anyways, so yeah, so I just remembered to come here and to say that today we're gonna do a vlog because we're going to a Shafi's wedding, and I'm gonna wear Linga.
You're wearing a sari.
Sari, I'm wearing a sari and bangles. So today's gonna be really fun. I cannot wait, and my outfit looks amazing. And yeah,
Half in this, half in that.
And sometimes I go out by myself and I look at across the water. This is, it feels like. Give me an indie song.
Bam. I only know Punjabi music. I don't know Hindi ones. You know them. Come on.
Coochie hot time. What's that? Coochie hot
Come on,
time.
I can't even say it myself for a minute.
Yeah,
Oh, shoot. Okay, wait. Take the silver ones off. I forgot to put this on. Yeah. And then this. And then the silver.
Oh god.
And that. And that.
Yes! What are you saying? Girl like me. Today I'm gonna look on fleeky, guys. I'm telling you. I'm gonna look on fleeky.
Okay.
This is a vlog. You better share.
This is so cool.
No, it looks alright.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
It is. Don't be shy now.
I'm shy.
Wait, is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's a red thing in it. Guys, what do you think?
What shoes are you gonna wear?
Amazing, guys.
You came off in it. No, go back. Right, can you do my hair now?
Oh yeah. Oh, you guys. It's a vlog.
I was in tikka. I should have worn tikka.
Wait, I want a camera.
Alright. And got me. Oh
God.
was it feeling dizzy?
Wait.
Yo, my hair is everywhere.
I think the lashes went under the car.
Is it? You even recorded properly?
Yeah. Wait, I want to record myself doing this.
Just move my arm in.
So, It's Shafa's wedding. And we're getting ready. Camera, everything.
Oh wait,
Go on. Someone's excited.
Yeah, putting the earrings on. And another one, she fixing her hair. Yeah, I'm vlogging. Oh god, you're a little bit in it, but you won't see that much. So I'm here. Oh my god, this is so weird. Oh, I look so bomb. So let me show you what.
can I have my... No, yeah. Just take them. Yeah, I'll take them.
Where's my Snapchat?
I want to take normally we're at our hall at 6, like it's packed.
Really?
Yeah. Not even, no, sorry, not 6, it's finished by 6.
Really?
Because from the Godwara, when we get married, it's like 1, 2 o'clock, everyone's in the hall, and then till 6, 7 o'clock to go home.
Oh. So how are you guys feeling? How are you guys feeling? How are you guys feeling? You good?
Mirror.
Oh god, look at my thing. So let me tell you guys a story, yeah? So I couldn't walk. What is this called? Sari. I couldn't walk on Sari, and I'm wearing my high heels, and then I was tripping. I was literally walking like penguin, but I'm here. And she made it. Ooh. I made it, and yeah. So I wanna see how the night's gonna. Oh, this place is quite big. It's quite big, this place. See that? It's so big. Shishi.
I feel
What? Why?
literally, I was like, oh, you're taking a picture?
I'm recording. I'm recording.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Look at how embarrassing. I was about to say it as well, but you're still recording.
Yeah, why?
Wait. I'm taking some seat, guys. Yeah, I'm taking seat, guys. This is how we work. Everybody else? Oh, sorry, Joe.
I want some chips as well.
There's a biryani here. Oh, the biryani in it.
Did you want some please?
No, I'll have it after.
Let's do a couple of voices. We want each and every one of you joining in nice and loud for a lovely couple of hymnal. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
okay, 3 cheers for the US. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! And one for everlasting love. Hip hip! One more time, please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for the bride and groom.
So today I had amazing night today with Shafa's wedding. Only because it's something different that I've never been before, because our wedding, Africa wedding girls, you know how we do. So this was really different for me, and I really enjoyed it. And I'm wearing Sari. This is Sari, I think. I'm wearing Sari, and I'm wearing big bangles as well, and I'm wearing this, I don't know what they call, and I'm wearing earrings. I really love the wedding. I love everything. Something different that I never experienced in my life. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like and share and comment. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. And yeah, and it was just amazing experience for me, and I hope nothing but the best for Shafa and her husband. And then yeah, I think it's more weddings coming, because I have quite a lot of Indian friends. So more wedding, more outfit for Sari, and more bangles and more big earrings. I'm so excited for this. I'm like, who's next? Who's gonna be the bride to be now, so I can wear my Sari and whatnot? you know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe like I said, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.